Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the exciting world of Google Docs for website enumeration. Whether you are a penetration tester or just curious about how search engines can help you discover information, Google Docs are a powerful tool you need to know about. So, what are Google Docs? In simple terms, they are advanced search queries that can help you find hidden or overlooked information on websites. With the right commands, you can uncover pages that weren't meant to be public, including login pages, sensitive files, and even site vulnerabilities. Now, let's go to the web browser. I have browser window with a guest profile, and I'm just gonna type google.com. And we can just Google Dorks database. And here we have like a database with all the commands that we need. And let's just maybe search it, for example, for in URL. We need to type it as a one word, and we will have here a lot of commands. And as you see, we can, for example, let me type login. If we click on them, we will have kind of explanation or basic usage of this command. And for example, again, let me go to Google and let me search for in URL admin to type first the name of the website. Here we have a lot of websites. We need to change in the searching engine or in the keywords to find the answer that we want. These queries take advantage of Google's search operators, and if used correctly, they can provide you with a lot of useful information. And let me try to do it in a different way. For example, we need now the site. Now Google is asking me if I'm a robot and trying to find a website. Now this is the website. It's showing exactly my website. We can use also something else. For example, we can search for PDFs on the website. I'll type PDF, and this is going to search all the website for hidden PDFs. And as you can see, all the answers that we got are PDFs. And the best thing I think that you can do is just go into the database and search for some useful like commands and then try to use them using the Google search engine. You can also find some open cameras online. And for example, let me just type camera. And here are some information. This is the command. And let us just try to Google it. Now it's Bing, but we can use the same in Google. You see now it's showing AliExpress or Google Colab, but here at the bottom it's showing a camera. And here is the login for the camera. I'm not gonna go on with it, but I think you got the idea. You can find open cameras online that the people forgot to secure them. You can find a lot of information using Google Dorks. It's really amazing because it helps you in improving your searching skills, and you can find just the things or the information that you are looking for. Even if you are not interested in cybersecurity or in ethical hacking in general, it's very helpful for a normal user to use Google Docs. And as I mentioned with, and as I showed with the PDF example, you can find just the results that you want using Google Docs. But before you start using Google Docs, it's important to remember that enumeration should always be done with permission. Unauthorized access or exploiting vulnerabilities can lead to serious consequences. Make sure you have consent from the website owner if you are using these techniques for security testing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials on ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Drop your comments below if you have any question or ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.